In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to use split screen in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the bottom search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match would appear in this kind of window, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. Now you can also press Windows key and I key together, and then that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Here, navigate to the left pane where you can see system. Click on it, and once you have bring up the system settings, please scroll down and locate with multitasking. So from here, all you need to do is you need to navigate with snap windows and turn it on. Okay? So once you have turned it on, you need to navigate on the opening for the application that you would like to use a split screen with. Okay, so let's say for example, you would like to proceed here at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. So let's say for example, you would like to bring up your Google Chrome. All you need to do is you need to click on the open to continue. Now, once you have opened the Google Chrome, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the upper right side of that. You can see there a hyphen icon, this one, and this X or close icon. All you need to do is you need to navigate with this one, and this would bring up or open. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to click on that just select any of this one. Okay, click on it, and then that way you would be able to bring up this one as long as as well as your settings. Okay, so in this way you have just enabled you have just used a split screen in Windows 11 PC or laptop. You can use your settings as well as your Google Chrome in the same time or a same manner. Okay, so let's say if you would like to use this one, okay, with this 3-1, all you need to do is you need to click on it, and then that way you would be able to open up other window again. Okay, you can put here as well as this one. Okay, so just have to expand it. If you would like to close it, close the window as well as this one, and there you have it. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.